Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here to run through the trade with you on this fifth day of March 2026. And again, this is a trade taken in the live trading room this afternoon. And here is the setup. As usual, we look for the strong candle indicator, which you can only get through Samurai Day Trading. It's this little triangle saying, go ahead and take this trade to the top of the screen. And that's exactly what we're going to do. So we're going to look at the PVI. We see that the market's really active today. I expect the next candle to be anywhere between 140 and 210 ticks long. So we're going to use our larger ATM. We're going to go for 20 ticks. Then we're going to de-risk the trade. Then we're going to go for runners of 50 and 100. And this is how it went down in the room today. So do that. Let's go ahead and get our buy order on. I really want this to go down first, which it should. No chance to get into it, and I don't really want to put a cover order on with this much risk on it. So we're going to wait just a little bit. It was so fast that we didn't even get a chance to put our order on initially. All right, now we're going to get a bit of a retrace. Let's let this go down a bit. We really want this to give us a really good retrace now that it's gone up. We want it to go down pretty far. There we go. That's what we're looking for. All right, when we get picked up in this, we'll be able to speed it up afterwards. That'll be fine. Um, Last major area or two candles behind. So a lot of risk on this particular one, but we're only going to hold that risk for a little while until our first target gets taken out. Once our first target gets taken out, we'll de-risk the trade. We speed it up a little bit now. Watch what happens when our first target's hit. It's a lot of risks initially, but we have a high PVI, so we got to expect to get extra risk. All right, now we'll put another order on. And now I've gone too fast. There we go. We de-risk the trade. If it comes back and takes us out at break even, then we will put another order on. It's that simple. And see, once it is stopped fooling around, it goes pretty well that way. The 20s and 50s are out. We're going for a 100 tick target. There we go. That target's out. But very, very active day. That trade took less than 5 minutes, a little more than 4 minutes, and was worth 990 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 990 US dollars in a little more than 4 minutes, come and join us at SamuraiDayTrading.com. That's SamuraiDayTrading.com, home of the strong candle indicators and other indicators that make trading fun and easy. Look forward to seeing you in the live trading room real soon. God bless you, and we'll see you next time.